This is an instructional video on how to unscrew boards using a cordless Dewalt 20-volt brushless this machine. Drill, I think.
It's impact driver.
Yeah, impact driver, that's what I said. Whoa, that's what not to do. You have to go slow but push in. It's a very complicated process. When you hear it slipping, you stop because you're stripping the bit. Done.
Okay, gonna carry on or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna go do all of them. That was a good one. I'm gonna run out of capacity right away. Also good. Oh, come on. Here, the box go. It's too heavy, babe.
Just stop it. There we go. It's out of the wood, right? It's out of the siding, so.
I can't get those two.
Okay.
Now, see, there's nothing to stand on now. Where are the tall people? I can't see.